gonna accept someone like you! You're just a freak to them! An oddity! They'll all gawk at you and ogle you and then leave you for dead! They will! They won't! They won't turn on me because this is my home now! And these are my friends and my people! I am one of them now! They have accepted me for what I am, who I am, and for that I will fight for them! Now I'm going to give you a third option. I'm going to let you go. We're going to take all your diesels and run back to the harbour, and you will never come back to this island. But if you try anything stupid, anything at all, I will change my mind. Don't make me change my mind.